Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word opiates. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The doctor prescribed opiates to manage the patient's severe pain after surgery. Opiates are a type of medication derived from the opium poppy plant that is often used to relieve pain or induce a state of relaxation and euphoria. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.